yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Alright, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I've got another, well actually this is my second time, but a glueless wig install for you guys. I'm excited about it. So the unit I'm about to show you guys is from Asteria Hair. It is kinky straight, it's long, I believe it's 24 inches. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what we're working with today. All right, you guys, so here is the unit straight out of the box. It is kinky straight, like I said, 20 inches long. I thought it was 24, but it's 20 inches, 180% density, and this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. And the cap construction, you guys, there are no combs, as you can see, no combs, no anything. This is really meant for you to pop on and go run errands, in my opinion. This is going to be great for my beginners, really just anyone who wants something just very quick and easy. Also comes with an elastic band because it doesn't have any combs. All right, you guys, so here's the unit. She has already been washed, flat ironed, all that great stuff. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did that in just a second. Let's talk about this cap construction though, because it's a little different. I was not expecting this, to be honest, y'all. It has no combs. Like, this is only my second time doing a glueless wig install, so I was like, I at least need the combs for this to work. You know what I mean? But I tried it on last night and I moved my head and shook it and all that kind of stuff. I'll show you guys. And it didn't fall off. So I was quite impressed. I'm a little like, what kind of sorcery is this? But it's all good. It's definitely just like a pop on, throw on, go run some errands. Don't go riding no roller coasters or doing flips, going to gymnastics, all that kind of stuff, because it will fall off, especially if you don't have any type of adhesive on here. You do have a little bit of support with the elastic strap, which I typically never use, but because I don't have any combs today, I'm gonna go ahead and use these bad boys. I didn't bleach the knots. I actually forgot to. Y'all, I don't know what I was thinking yesterday, but whenever I wash my units, I bleach the knots, I wash them, condition them, and let them air dry. I just went straight to washing this. And then I realized this morning that I didn't even bleach the knots. So, oh well, it's all said and done. If you plan on wearing this often, I do recommend you bleach the knots, you guys. I don't think it needs any kind of plucking, but of course, you're welcome to do that if you want to. I'm not doing this. I'm going straight for, we are beginners. We don't really know what we're doing. We just want something very easy, pop on and go, get out the house, and you know, you look decent, basically. I've clearly already prepped her. She is ready to go. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I got this sleek straight look, give you guys some really good tips. Let's go ahead and get to the styling portion of this video. All right, y'all, so to get this unit nice and straight, but still leaving some texture, I'm not going for bone straight here. This is what I'm using: my Silk Elements heat protectant blow dryer, my Remington flat iron. If you guys don't have this flat iron, it's super cheap. It works really well. I love it. I am drenching this hair, not drenching, but I'm spraying a good amount of heat protectant onto this hair and then blow drying on high heat. This is really all you need to do if you don't feel like if you don't feel like flat ironing your hair. Make sure you do this step, the heat protectant paired with high heat with the blow dryer, and you guys see how I'm combing it through pretty slow, is going to knock out those kinks a little bit more, just to make it a little bit more realistic, in my opinion, and just give you an overall smoother look. Next, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron in big sections because I still want to keep that kinkiness. Like I said, I'm not going for bone straight hair, so I'm taking my wax stick. Make sure I'm hitting the roots. The wax stick, of course, you guys know. If you don't know, well, if you don't know, the wax stick really helps to get the hair nice and flat at the top. And then I'm just doing the chase method with my flat iron. The hair turned out absolutely beautiful, you guys. It flat ironed so well. I'm only doing one pass in large sections. Like I said, I want that movement. I still want that body, that fullness, but I want to get some of those kinks out of there just because it just makes it a lot more believable, in my opinion, because it's a little bit too kinky for me, if that makes sense. And I think a lot of you feel the same way. So like I said, just taking it section by section and flat ironing. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So this side right here is just blow dried. And then next you'll see the side that has been flat ironed and just kind of compare the difference. It's so shiny, you guys. Look at that luster in that movement. It looks so good right here. And then to finish up this sleek straight look, I'm just gonna take my hot comb and just hit the top of the part really quickly. It's already pretty flat with the flat iron, but this just gives it a little bit something extra just in case I missed any spots. And do not forget the back of your head. All right, y'all, so our wig is already prepped, laid, ready to go. I popped my wig cap on. I'm just gonna grab some concealer and a brush and just apply a little bit to this lace cap. Yeah, because it's too light, it's too light, it's too light. And then let's get to applying this unit, and I'll probably lay a little bit of my little edges just because that's just what I like to do. And I'm gonna make this as quick and painless as possible because I ain't got all day to be sitting here. I got things to do. It's a nice day outside, and yeah, I won't be sitting here doing my hair all day. If you really wanted to, you could leave it just like this. Look how secure this is. I know I look crazy, but I'm showing you guys because I was not a believer. Y'all, the unit is secure. Okay, like I said before, don't be doing the most. This is definitely if I want to go to work or if I'm working at home, I got Zoom meetings, I got some errands to run, kind of out and about or whatever. It's not a crazy hectic day. I just want to look decent. This is gonna be for you. You could just pop it on and go just like this. Add some concealer right here to your part, and that's it. But as for me, I'm gonna do a little bit more. Not too much more, just a tiny bit more, just to customize it the way I like to. And I'm gonna start with doing a little bit of hairline simply because I just feel really naked without it, y'all. That's just me, y'all. Like I always say, stuff is personal preference. This is your head, nobody else's. Do things how you like to do them. Do what makes you feel pretty, makes you feel confident. So whether you want to lay your edges or don't or whatever, I don't care what's trending, do what you like to do. Y'all see how flush that is? That is so flat, so flat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my little personal touch to it. I'm gonna lay my edges a bit, and then I'll finish up with adding a little bit of concealer to my part and then a little bit of powder, and that should really be it. This should not take me a lot of time to do. So for my hairline, y'all, I'm just gonna do 2 swoops on the side, just lay a little bit of edges. I'm gonna go in with my Bold Hold Lace Jelly. This is just to lay edges. You can use this on your natural hair or your wigs. It's not a like really firm hold to me. It's not a super hold. It's kind of like a medium hold in my opinion. But yeah, just using a little bit of this after I curl each side down. Do some swoops, and then I'm gonna take my Fenty palette, you'll see in just a bit, and I'm just going to hit my hairline with a little bit of powder to just kind of blend it a little bit more, even though I did apply foundation to it already, and then just get some concealer and apply that to my part. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I am all finished, completely glueless. Let me show you. I'm really happy that I have discovered that it's 2023 and I finally tried a glueless wig, applying them without any type of adhesive. You just need something in your stash that you can literally just keep on your, wig stand or whatever the case may be, and just pop it on and go and keep your hair protected for the summer or whatever the case. this is gonna be it. I am super happy with the outcome. I love the hair. The hair is beautiful, you guys. Before I leave you, really quick, if you're feeling like, okay, I don't know about this going glueless, like I'm kind of like 99%, like I think I'll be fine if I go out and about and stuff, but you never know what could happen. You could always take, like, leave it, put it on as normal, take a little bit of hairspray. This is actually a lace bond. It's by Eben. You guys, I absolutely love this stuff. It's not like really a hairspray. It's really just for your lace, I believe. If you're just uncomfortable with leaving it as is, I totally understand, you guys. That's why it's only my second time doing this. I'm gonna take a little bit of spray, I'm gonna blow dry it down, and then you'll see just that little bit gives you a little bit more of a hold so you don't have to worry about any slippage. And that's it. That's all you have to do. I highly recommend getting this, you guys. A little bit goes a very, very long way. It just applies flawlessly to me. Like I said, you don't need a lot of it. So I just put a tiny bit of that right here, just in case you want a little bit, like I said, just in case we want a little bit more hold, or your lace is just not laying super flush, because my head can do that. I have a larger size head, so not everything always fits me, but I didn't do it to this side. So this side still has nothing on it, and this side has a little bit right here that I'm not gonna lift up because I already used my lace bond. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check the description box. Y'all know the drill. Everything that I've used for my hair, everything about this unit will be down below. All the details down below in the description box for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, or give me a thumbs up for this video, I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one.
If somebody's there, then tell me who.